Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya TV. Let us discuss some current affairs, today's current affairs. First one is over 4,200 tons of salmon have been killed by a killer algae in which country? The options are UK, USA, Canada, and Chile. And the answer is Chile. Next one, the European Commission has planned to raise what amount annually until 2026 to make its economy green and digital? The options are 150 billion euros, USD 100,000 million, rupees 1000 crore, USD 50 million. And the answer is option A, that is 150 billion euros. Next question, what is the name of the tax non-resident e-commerce operators service providers? Options are equalization levy, GST, corporation tax, Tobin tax. And the answer is equalization levy. Next one, which country has mandated banks, issuers, and investment managers operating in the country to report the impact of climate change on their business? Options are India, New Zealand, Australia, Switzerland. And the answer is New Zealand. Next question. India has extended the ceasefire agreement with three insurgent groups of which state for one more year? Options Assam, Sikkim, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. And the answer is Nagaland. Next question. What is the name of the tropical cyclone that has made landfalls in Western Australia? Options are Siroja, Bob, Nivar, Funny. And the answer is Siroja. Option A, Siroja. Next one, eSanta, a digital platform which was launched recently, is associated with which type of products? Options are drugs, aquaculture products, electronic products, textile products. And the answer is aquaculture products. Next question. Hideki Matsuyama is the first Japanese player to claim a major championship in which sports? Options tennis, golf, chess, badminton. And the answer is golf. Next question. Which country is the first to introduce climate change law for financial sector? The options are Brazil, Germany, New Zealand, France. And the answer is New Zealand. Next question. With reference to biodiversity, what is the Oritherium tezen which was making news recently? Plant species, animal species, bird species, bacteria. And the answer is animal species. Next one, an ancient city named Athens, which was seen in the recent news recently, has been discovered in which country? The options are Italy, Egypt, Australia, Greece. And the answer is Egypt. Next question. La Soufriere volcano, which recently erupted, is located in which country? Philippines, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Indonesia, and Japan. And the answer is Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. Next question. What is the name of the global experiment which aims to measure the impact of reduction in ambient human sounds in oceans? And the options are International Human Ocean Experiment, International Ocean Sound Experiment, International Ambient Sound Experiment, and International Quiet Ocean Experiment. And the answer is International Quiet Ocean Experiment. Right. Next one, HCCR portal, which was recently launched by the Ayush Ministry, is associated with which field? Options are Ayurveda, Unani, Homeopathy, Yoga, and the answer is homeopathy. Right, that's all for this video.